The Supreme Court or SC affirms the libel conviction of broadcast journalist Raffy Tulfo and the publisher and editors of Abante Tonight over a column he wrote in 2003, accusing a businessman of seeking help from a government official over an alleged tax fraud investigation. The SC 3rd Division also more than doubled the damages Tulfo and the publisher and editors have to pay in connection with the case, from 700,000 pesos to 1.71 million pesos. The businessman won the libel cases before the lower court and the Court of Appeals, but his claims of 5 million pesos in damages were denied. In the decision, the SC warns the press to strictly follow the code of ethics in its reporting and highlights the need for responsible journalism in the age of social media.